A state representative from Tulsa files a bill to give a pay raise to school support personnel in order to help ease ongoing staff shortages. News on 6's Ashlyn Brothers explains.
Oklahoma State Representative John Waldron says the state needs to do a better job of supporting the people who support our children. The Big Yellow School Bus Act applies to Oklahoma public school support staff employees who make less than $80,000 and would give them a 20% pay increase.
There's a record number of kids in our public schools this year, and they need somebody to take care of them. We should do the right thing by investing in the people who invest their time in our kids.
The amendment to House Bill 3724 would mean a raise for employees who worked for the school district last year, while new employees would get a 20% increase from the starting salary.
How would a public school operate if you didn't have bus drivers? How would you feed the kids if you didn't have folks manning the lunch line? How do you keep the schools clean without custodians and building engineers to keep the schools lit and heated? There is a mood on both sides of the aisle to do something for support staff workers.
Representative Waldron worked as a public high school teacher in Tulsa for 2 decades. He says the bill will allow these employees to better support their own families in an inflationary economy and could incentivize them to stay in public education.
We've seen our schools close down because we couldn't find enough of these essential workers.
Waldron says the pay raise will come from a general appropriations budget.
We have people working in our schools who are making like $10.52 an hour.
The first session of the 59th legislature begins February 6th and goes through May 26th. If passed, the act would become effective in the fall of 2023. Ashlyn Brothers, Oklahoma's Own, News on 6.